So you're single and spending way too much time chasing women, aren't you? It's exhausting and frustrating, and in the end, it usually doesn't amount to much. Trust me, I've been there. The truth is, chasing women is a huge waste of your time and energy. Instead of running yourself ragged trying to get numbers or dates, focus on self-improvement. Do things that make you a better, more interesting person. Pick up a hobby, learn a new skill, and read books to expand your mind. Work on being the best version of yourself. When you do that, you'll gain confidence from within. You'll develop passion and purpose. And in time, women will notice you for who you are. Not because you're chasing them, but because you're focused on chasing your own dreams and living a meaningful life. That, my friend, is attractive. So stop wasting time chasing women and start doing things that really matter. Your future self will thank you, and the women in your life will too. 1. Learn to attract women naturally. Instead of chasing after women, focus on bettering yourself. Work on developing your interests and skills. Strengthen your self-confidence from the inside out, and naturally attract partners who appreciate you for who you are. Pursue your passions. Cultivate hobbies and activities that you genuinely care about. Women are drawn to men who have purpose and direction in life. When you pursue your passions, you'll be motivated and excited. That positive energy is magnetic. Build your confidence. Don't base your self-worth on your dating life. Appreciate yourself for who you are, your values, skills, and accomplishments. Accept yourself, flaws and all. As you strengthen your self-confidence, you'll worry less about rejection and stop seeking validation from women. You'll project an attractive self-assurance that draws others to you. Become your best self. Continuously work to improve yourself through learning and new experiences. Challenge yourself and step out of your comfort zone. Develop skills and talents that make you interesting. Stay physically and mentally active. Become someone you respect and admire. When you focus on self-improvement, you'll naturally attract partners who appreciate you for who you are. Stop worrying so much about chasing women and start pursuing a life filled with meaning, passion, and growth. Develop into your best self, and romantic relationships will follow. 2. Let go of outcome dependence. When meeting women, letting go of the outcome when meeting or talking to women is key. Don't have expectations or attach yourself to a particular result. This will only lead to disappointment and frustration. Instead, shift your mindset to simply having an enjoyable interaction. Focus on listening, asking follow-up questions, making eye contact, and smiling. Pay attention to the conversation itself, rather than worrying about getting a phone number or date. Women can sense when you have an agenda that's off-putting. Rather than going into a conversation with the sole intention of getting a woman's contact information, change your perspective. Have the goal be to make a connection, learn something new, spread positive energy, or brighten someone's day. Any of these mindsets will make you appear more confident, charismatic, and less needy. And ironically, this attitude may increase your chances of getting a woman's number as a byproduct. But that shouldn't be the motivation behind the interaction. Free yourself from the shackles of outcome dependence. Don't let rejection or failure impact your self-worth. How a woman responds says more about her preferences and circumstances than your qualities or charm. You cannot control how others act. You can only control your own thoughts and behaviors. So take a deep breath and start a conversation with an open mind and genuine curiosity. Make it your mission to appreciate each person you meet for who they are. Do this, and you'll find interacting with women, whether romantic or platonic, to be a lot more fun and fulfilling. The outcomes you desire will follow in time. But for now, just focus on the present moment of connecting with another human being. 3. Learn to create intrigue and mystery. Instead of chasing after women, focus on becoming the kind of man that attracts them. Cultivate an air of intrigue and mystery. Don't be an open book. Share details about yourself in a gradual, selective way. Keep some parts of your life private. Don't post your every waking thought on social media. Preserve some mystery. Women are attracted to men who seem complex and multidimensional. When you first meet, don't dump information and tell your whole life story. Share a few interesting details about your hobbies, travels, experiences, opinions, or goals to pique her interest. Keep things light and casual. As you continue to interact, open up in a measured way through engaging conversation. Reveal more about yourself, your values, and your passions. Doing so in person allows her to experience the real you, which builds connection and chemistry. Save some details for future encounters so she continues discovering new aspects of your personality over time. Maintaining an air of intrigue also means avoiding behaviors that turn women off, like neediness, desperation, and over-eagerness. Don't text her constantly, especially at first. Don't make your whole world revolve around her. Continue pursuing your own interests and hobbies. Spend time with other friends too. Having your own fulfilling life attracts her interest and also gives you more interesting things to discuss when you do connect. When done right, cultivating an intriguing persona sparks her curiosity and desire to get to know you better. It gives you an opportunity to build real rapport and connection, and that is far more likely to lead to a meaningful relationship than chasing after her ever could. 4. The power of non-attachment. Stop making women the focus of your happiness and self-worth. Developing non-attachment to outcomes with women will make you much happier and less needy. When you're not attached to a particular outcome with a woman, you'll find interactions more fun and playful. You won't be worrying whether she likes you or not, and your confidence will shine through. Paradoxically, this attitude of non-attachment often makes you more attractive to women. Rather than anxiously chasing and grasping for female attention and affection, pursue your own interests and passions. Develop yourself through reading, exercising, spending time with good friends, and engaging in hobbies that ignite your creativity. Find fulfillment from within by nurturing your body, relationships, mind, and spirit. Make the focus of your life on pursuing excellence and growth rather than chasing ephemeral pleasures and external validation from women. Ironically, when you stop chasing and make yourself the priority, you'll find women are much more attracted to you. They detect your self-confidence and independence. So stop wasting time chasing women, and instead chase your best self, fulfill your own needs and desires, follow your passions, and pursue meaningful relationships and experiences. Once you do, you'll find women naturally drawn to your newly radiant and compelling life. The power was within you all along.